Is your home just the building, or is it your sanctuary? For an intermediate speaker, saying my house is big isn't enough. Today I'm going to give you 3 useful phrases to help you describe your living situation like a native speaker. Welcome to English Bullet, the channel where we fire up your day with practical English and powerful motivation for your business and life. Having used English in business for almost 30 years, I'm here to share what I've learned. Let's get started. The first bullet: make yourself at home. It's an idiomatic expression to tell a guest that he can relax and feel as comfortable as if they were in their own house. You can use it for hospitality or social etiquette. For instance, someone comes, knocks on your door or rings a bell. You open the door and you say, "Oh, hello, please come in, take off your coat and make yourself at home," which means come in and feel as comfortable as if you were in your own house. Or, "I love visiting Ben. He always makes me feel like I can just make myself at home."
Please come in, take off your coat, and make yourself at home.
The next bullet: within walking distance. This is a phrase that is used to describe a location that is close enough that can be easily reached by walk, like from 5 to 15 minutes. You may use it when you are talking about a neighborhood or looking for a house. For instance, the best thing about my apartment is that it's within walking distance from the tennis court. Or, is there a train station in walking distance, or do I need to take a bus?
One of the best things about my apartment is that the tennis courts are within walking distance.
Okay, and the third bullet: to spruce up a place. It means to improve the look of the apartment or a house by cleaning, decorating, or making small changes. It's informal, is used for renovations or even a spring cleaning. For instance, I'm planning to spruce up my living room with new plants and colorful pillows. Or, a fresh coat of paint is the best way to spruce up the tired-looking kitchen.
I'm planning to spruce up the living room with some new plants and colorful pillows.
Okay, and a quick summary here. We talked about, first, to make yourself at home. Second, within walking distance. And the third bullet: to spruce up a place. There is this common phrase that the home is where the heart is, which means that your home is not just the building. These are not just the bricks. This is the place where you feel the most love, where you feel the most secure, when you have the strongest relationships. So tell me what your home means to you. For me, it's a sanctuary. Let me know how important your home is for you. So today we talked about home and housing. I hope you enjoyed the episode. I hope you found it interesting. So please share it with your family and friends, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more. Have a good one.